Justin here with Car Candy Automotive Detail Products, and we want to talk to you about how you go about using Car Candy's Apple Suds, which is a concentrate wash and wax. Now this is a very simple formula in regards to washing your vehicle. So first and foremost, you're going to of course want to rinse the vehicle, cool it down, and get it ready to go ahead and make sure that you're going to start the wash process. Before you start the wash process, you're going to basically take and measure out 1 ounce to every gallon in the bucket that you're going to use for your wash. And then from there, you'll agitate the bucket to make sure that the actual soap goes through and disperses through the whole bucket so it's nice and even. And then from there, you'll use your wash media, which is a sponge or wash mitt preferably, to actually touch the surface of the vehicle to start your agitation wash or your contact wash. You'll notice that it lathers very well. It has a lot of lubricity. It is pH balanced. So this is something that's going to be safe and fun in your experience, especially with the candy apple scent that comes with it. If you decide to put this in a foam cannon, I would recommend that 3 to 5 ounces into your foam cannon to start with. And that's going to be, more of a preference. You might want to change that, but that would be a good starting point to get that very thick shaving cream-like suds that you're looking for to cling to the surface. And of course, that would be the total application process and the simplicity behind our Car Candy Apple Suds Concentrated Wash and Wax.